Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm
A very
fine.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. What about you?
Ma'am, I'm fantastic.
Wonderful. Okay, what is fantastic in French? It's formidable. We have a word in English, formidable. You've heard? So with the same spellings, we say formidable. Okay? All right. Nishu, Hanya, please open your cameras.
I'm just doing it 2 minutes.
I'm so confused between Nishu Singh and there's a child, Nishika Chatwani. She's in the same class.
Ma'am, it's Nishika Chandani. Ma'am, it's Nishika Chandani.
Okay, there's some surname Chatwani also, so I got confused. So Nishika is in the same class?
Yes, ma'am, she is.
Okay. Adriti, Hanya, please everybody open your camera so that we can start the class. Okay, so today, now everybody has got the book of French. Yes? No.
Ma'am, it was short in the bookstores. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so what I'll do, I'll just send you the PDF of this chapter. How many of you have the book? Anybody in the class who has the book?
Ma'am, I have the old one, so I don't know if they are same or not.
We have to do the second edition. Do you have the book with number 2 written on it?
Yes, ma'am, I do have.
All right, so Nishu, would you please send the PDF of this chapter, Leçon Zéro? Yes, will you be able to send it right now?
Ma'am, but I don't have a chapter name like this.
No. The chapter name is, okay, what do you have? Tell me, read it out. Un coup d'œil sur la France.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I was saying Leçon Zéro. That is lesson
Okay,
zero.
ma'am.
Huh.
I'm sending it.
Yes. Now today, children, what we are going to study, we are going to study a brief introduction of the country France, where it lies in the map, which all neighboring countries surround the country France, and all the famous things of France. Okay, so we are actually going to study France geographically and in other ways.
Ma'am, sent.
See, children, everybody has got this PDF. Just open it up.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay. So the chapter I'm going to read out before you and then you're going to repeat. Okay. Leçon zéro. Everybody say.
So,
Leçon. What is lesson in French? In English, we say lesson. But in French, we say leçon. Leçon zéro. Zero in French is zéro. Okay. The name of the chapter is Un coup d'œil sur la France. What is sur? Sur means on. Okay. And un coup d'oeil. D'oeil is I. OEIL stands for a single eye. So a glance at France or a glance on France. So we are just having a quick look on the country, France. Write it down. What is the translation of the title? A glance on France.
Ma'am, written.
Everybody written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
just a minute. I'm written.
Okay. Then, France or l'Hexagone is located on the European continent and is bordered by 8 countries. Now, France is often known as l'Hexagone. What is l'Hexagone? It is a hexagon. Why do we call it l'Hexagone? Because it is 6-dimensional in shape. When you look at the shape of France, the shape of the country, it is somewhat like a hexagon. So it is often known as l'Hexagone. And there's a question that is put up, that is, what is the synonym of France? So the synonym of France is l'Hexagone. Okay, everybody must know.
Ma'am, hexagon.
Yes. Everybody must learn this name. Now, it is bordered by 8 countries in all different directions. All the 8 countries have been told, like in the north, in the south, east, west, and also in the northeast, northwest, like that, southeast and southwest. So let's see which all countries it is bordered by. Then, le drapeau français. Now, what is drapeau? Drapeau is flag. Le drapeau français, the French flag. Now, what is this French flag? How many colors does it have? It has 3 colors. Okay. Because it has 3 colors, it is known as tricolore. Tricolore. Okay. It is called tricolore. Like our Indian flag is also known as a tricolor, isn't it? So similarly,
Ma'am, can you repeat the spelling of color?
tricolore. COLORE.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, what all colors does it have? It has bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu stands for blue, blanc stands for white, and rouge is red. We have done colors. How many of you remember colors? The names of French names of colors. How many of you actually remember? The last chapter was about colors only that we did in class 7. Isn't it? Okay, looks like no one remembers. Then, la capitale de la France. Everybody knows what is the capital of France. So you can be put up a question. There can be a question given to you. Quelle est la capitale de la France? Which means, what is the capital of France? Then, la fête nationale. Now, it is a national day, like in we say Republic Day. The National Day of India is on 26th of January. So they celebrate their National Day on 14th of July. So what is this called? This date in French is called le 14 juillet. Number 14 is what? 14, right? Le 14 juillet. Juillet is the month of July. Okay, till here everything is clear to everyone? All of you just speak to yourself, try to pronounce it, le 14 juillet. Speak it up. Le 14 juillet. Speak to yourself. If you are like hesitating before me, please don't hesitate at all. Children, this is how you're going to learn. Paridhi, Nishu, Harshdeep, Adriti, Prapti, please open up your cameras. All of you, please open up your cameras. Then, everybody try to speak le drapeau français. Le drapeau français. What is it?
Le drapeau français.
Perfect, perfect, wonderful. La capitale de la France. La
Ma'am,
capitale.
may you please speak?
Yes. La capitale
La capitale
de la France.
de la France.
Perfect. See, it is coming out so nicely. Then, la fête nationale. La fête
La fête
nationale.
nationale.
Perfect. Shreyansh, would you like to try? Shreyansh Vyas. Say la fête nationale.
Ma'am, please repeat.
La fête nationale.
La fête nationale.
National. National. In English, we say national, but in French, there is no sound like sh in national. It is national. Okay? La fête nationale.
National.
Perfect. Then, l'hymne national. Now we talk about the hymn, the national anthem. So the national anthem of France is known as La Marseillaise. La
Marseillaise.
Yes, double L here is silent. We don't say La Marseillaise. No, La Marseillaise. Okay. Then, La monnaie unique européenne. Yes, the only currency, the common European currency. What is it? L'euro. We all know that we use euros there, right? So that is called l'euro. Then, les vins. Now, France is famous for its wines, its cheese, its fashion, and also, along with that, what was one other thing? Escargot, that is snails. France is known for snail, the little mammal snails.
Yes,
France
ma'am.
is known for these things. Okay, so the wines that are famous of France. See, look at the names. Le Bordeaux. Le Bordeaux.
Le Bordeaux.
Very good. Le Bourgogne.
May you please
Yes. Le Bourgogne. The second.
Le Bourgogne.
Very nice. The second G in the word is silent. Okay. So what does it become? Le Bourgogne. Le Bourgogne. Then le Beaujolais. Beaujolais. Le Beaujolais.
La Beaujolais.
Beau, B-E-A-U is what? Beau. He is handsome, so we say il est beau. Beaujolais. Beaujolais. Le Beaujolais.
Beaujolais.
Perfect. Le Beaujolais. So these are three important wines that you have to remember the names. Because see, in this chapter, how you're going to get this chapter in exams, you're going to get it like match the following. One side, the names would be given of different fromage, cheese, wines, different things. And on one side, it will be written the category, whether it is wine or it is cheese or whatever. So you must know all the names. Okay, it can be given to you in the form of fill in the blanks. or anyways. Then le fromage. Now what is fromage? That is cheese. Yes. In India also we have different varieties of cheese. In France also they have different varieties, different names of cheese. What is this? Le Camembert. Le Camembert.
Le Camembert.
Perfect. Le Roquefort. Le Roquefort.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming to me.
Le Roquefort. Is it not coming? What
Ma'am,
about-
can I rejoin?
Yes. Others can hear me. Others can listen to me.
Yes,
Am I-
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So the first cheese that we learn is Le Camembert, Le Roquefort, Le Brie, Le Brie, and Le Gruyere. Le Gruyere. So these are 4 names of cheese that are given. Then Le Tunnel sous la Manche. The nicknamed Channel is a rail tunnel beneath the English Channel linking England and France. We know that we have English Channel Sea. You must have studied in geography, in history. So this English Channel basically links France to England. This is a link, okay, between England and France that is linked by the English Channel. Now, what is it? It is the Channel Tunnel, nicknamed Channel, is a rail tunnel beneath the English Channel. Okay? It is the tunnel sous la Manche. S-O-U-S means under. Okay? Sous la Manche, that is made under it. And sur means on. Now, in the title of the chapter, we've studied sur la France, that is on France, and sous means under. Okay, so we've come across 2 prepositions, right? Then the next page says Le Monde Francophone. Monde is what? What is monde? Monde is world. Le Monde Francophone. So we are talking about the French world. Okay, the French speaking Francophone world. French is the only language other than English spoken in 5 continents. Apart from English, see how famous French is. More than 150 million people speak French as their native tongue, and millions of others use it as a second language. Somewhere it is the native tongue, somewhere it is used as the second language. These people make up what is known as Le Monde Francophone, the French speaking world. Okay. What is the term Le Monde Francophone? It is the French speaking world. Some countries where French is the official language or mother tongue are Algeria, La Belgique, La Suisse, Le Luxembourg. So in these countries, French is spoken as the official language. Okay. Now what you're going to do, all of you take out your copies and whatever important is given, like Le Drapeau Français, Le Capitale de la France. In the similar way, you don't have to write the English translation of any of it in the copy. Yes? In the similar way, you're going to make proper notes of this chapter in your notebook. Start doing it. Wherein we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 points. Okay. In Le Monde Francophone, you're going to write the names of all the countries where it is spoken as the official language. Sorry, where it is the official language. Start doing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write all of them or just the important
No,
ones?
no, all of them, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you want, you can write the pronunciation along with it. Children done? No response, no reply, huh?
Ma'am, just writing the meanings.
Children, those who have those who have done will send the work on class groups. Start sending so that we can move ahead with the exercises. Paridhi, Harshdeep, and Adriti. Beta, have you done your work?
Ma'am, just about to finish.
All right. So what you're going to do, you'll post your work on the class group. I'm ending this meeting here. Okay. And then you can move for your next class. But don't forget to post, children. All of you are supposed to post. So many have already left.
Okay.
All right, beta. Bye.